Basta.
Ikan sa solar
Lami. Bro.
na napuisayan nga battery.
Bro, ay, laging. Ang lito'y laging. Holy mother of love.
Dayon ang iyang pagmakod kani ang minus asayan nga battery
I won't.
daga na pud ngadto sa iya. So karon ang kaning nagabutang nga
In cutting woods. I don't want to cut wood, see. Oopsie.
ayaw kasi pagbutang sa plus kani kung may
Bro.
siya kung padong sa ato ang load. Mauna na siya makapasigan na
Bro, I can't move.
mauna na nangatay suga nilangit niya kung lupiyos ulikan sa
Oh.
Kanya karon saan man ang pag-charge?
No.
Charge is sa ato ang
No, don't. Kasi.
ang USB
Bro, what the? Yeah. Bro. So who just? Oh, she's going to die. Oh, what's this? A corn? What's this, guys? This weird. Oh no! Bro. Again, not again. Oh no. No, don't. No, don't. I'll see you. A corn. Bro, not again.
Recharge na po na to ang cellphone. Okay kayo. Saan kayo saksak recharge? Matagal din mo sa institusyon. Antay na kayo recharge niya.
Oh. That's weird. What the? Ugu. Oh no. This will take forever. Huh? Bro, I don't understand. I don't understand. Where to plant this? Why am I dying? Who's the guy? Stop dying if she dies, I will die too.
China actually goes centuries without attacking its neighbors. So China went for 1,000 years without once invading Japan,
Oh, so
a
that's
near
the
neighbor,
big
even though
tree,
China
huh?
was much more powerful.
Oh no.
The Japanese actually said
Ah, tubangan mo